prayer to the Almighty. The Ramadan season at last is here, my Lord, so guide us all in the right direction on our way. The glass of our faith with the passing time has become too fragile, dusty, and grey. With your benevolence, grace, and mercy, my Lord, don't let it crack, break, or sway. It is the last speck of hope for us in the dark, so do not please ignore what we pray. Do shower your blessings and sprinkle your love, and make us land in the heavens one day, inshallah. Rhymes and Recitation by Nuzhat Jehan Naaz. Thanks for joining me in my prayer.